how to access to the AEGEAN lounge. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can access the AEGEAN lounge. Now, to access the AEGEAN Airlines lounge, the first thing you have to do is to check if you're eligible. All right, you have to meet certain eligibility criteria, and then the first criteria is that you must have a same day business class ticket on AEGEAN Airlines. All right, so that means that for you to be able to access the lounge, you'd have to book a business class. So for example, when you want to book your flight and you've selected your location and where you are going to, and by the time you click on search and you fill in all of the necessary details, and then you click on search, then you'll be taken to the page where you would see flights that would work on those days that you selected, as well as the locations that you've selected. So once those flights has been displayed, ensure that you've selected business class. By the time you select business class, you would have access to AEGEAN lounge. Then another thing is that you would have to check out the lounges locations. All right, so for example, now in 18th, there are spacious lounges, okay, in 18th, the airport, as well as some other locations like Lanaka and the likes. So for you to be able to know the location that has such lounges, the option for you is for you to check them, making use of AEGEAN lounge finder. And how do you do so? Go to the top part of the screen. Okay, let me repeat that. Go to the top part of the screen, click on the plus icon to create a new tab, and then in the search box, just type out AEGEAN lounge finder, and then you can see the option lounge finder here under AEGEAN Airlines, and then just select it, and then you'll be taken to the large lounge finders page. So on this page, you can see the right top lounge finder, and then the next thing to do would be for you to find the available lounges in the airport you are traveling. So the first thing will be to select the city or the airport here. So if it's Athens, or for example Barcelona, just go ahead and tap it there. All right, so the AEGEAN lounge is available for this particular city or airport to be displayed, and then you can now go ahead and select an airline. In this case is AEGEAN. Then select the class, of course business class, and then click on search lounge, and then you wait for the lounges to be displayed, and then this is the only lounge that has been found, and then you can see the advantages and then the benefits, the facilities they have. So you can click on this to view more about the lounge, and then all right, then you can now go ahead to book the lounge. Okay, and this lounge, this description is showing you the one that you have access to. All right, and then you can also check out the access details of the lounge that you want to go for. But the major thing, like I have said, for you to access AEGEAN Airlines lounges is for you to belong to the business class or to the first class. If you're going by economy, you cannot have access to the lounge. So that is it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.